1969년 7월 4일 캘리포니아 발레이오의 평범한 밤. 유부녀인 달린과
Let's go someplace quiet.
Okay.
어려 보이는 마이크. 그렇게 미래를 즐기러 공터로 향한 두 사람.
It's July. How many shirts are you wearing?
Was that car the driver? Do you want me to tell him to leave?
Stay in the car.
그때 뭔가를 아는 듯 불안해하는 달린.
Was that your husband?
No. Don't worry about it.
Don't tell me not to worry. Who was it?
It's nothing.
그렇게 의문의 차량이 이들에게 다가옵니다.
Shit. Let's go.
하지만 이미 그들 뒤에 멈춰선 차량. 뒤이어 두 사람을 향해 라이트를 비추는 의문의 남자. 그 순간
Man, you really creeped us out.
남자는 총을 난사하기 시작했고 이 사건으로 인해 현장에서 즉사한 달린.
Vallejo Police Department.
I want to report a double murder.
May I have your
If you go
name
1
and where
mile
you're calling?
east on Columbus Parkway, the public park, you'll find kids in a brown car. They were shot with a 9mm Luger. I also killed those kids last year.
그런데 사건 현장을 벗어나기 전 태연하게 경찰에 전화해 자신의 범행을 알리는 범인. 달리는 사망했지만 기적적으로 살아남은 마이크. 그 후 1969년 8월 1일 샌프란시스코의 크로니클 신문사. 조디악이라는 익명의 이름으로부터 편지 한 통을 받게 되는데.
You need to see this.
Dear editor, this is the murderer of the two teenagers last Christmas at Lake Herman and the girl on the 4th of July near the golf course in Vallejo. To prove I killed them, I shall state some facts which only I and the police know. Christmas, brand name of ammo, Super X. 10 shots were fired. The boy was on his back with his feet to the car. The girl...
편지 속 내용은 사건을 조사한 경찰들만이 알고 있는 두 건의 사건 내용이었죠.
Here is part of a cipher. The other two parts of this cipher are being mailed to the editors of the Vallejo Times and SF Examiner. I want you to print this cipher on the front page of your paper. In this cipher is my identity. If you do not print this cipher by the afternoon of Fry, F-R-Y, 1st of August 69, I will go on a kill rampage Fry night. I will cruise around all weekend killing lone people in the night, then move on to kill again until I end up with a dozen people over the weekend.
동봉한 암호문을 신문 일면에 공개하지 않으면 살인을 이어가겠다는 범인.
Today's August 1st. He wants his code in the afternoon edition.
If the Examiner doesn't have the balls to run it, we scoop the bait.
Al, this man is talking about shooting 12 people.
And not running this might make him do that.
If we run it, we might be setting a very dangerous precedent.
Oh, come on now. It's newsworthy.
We're giving some sick bastard a soapbox. What does that say to people?
Back up. Is this Vallejo story true? Do we know that?
편지의 내용을 믿을 수 없던 사람들.
Hi, this is Paul Avery from the San Francisco Chronicle. I'm looking for someone to shed some light on a letter we received.
Sergeant Mullenix.
I just want to check if you had an unsolved firearm-related homicide on Christmas and maybe one on July 4th.
You guys got one too.
VPD, they confirmed that.
하지만 편지의 내용은 모두 사실이었죠.
I say let's go front page. If he kills 12 people, it's not our fault.
결국 신문에 암호문을 싣기로 하는데.
Okay, replate.
하지만
We'll go on page 4.
범인의 요구와는 달리 사면에 실리게 되죠.
$20, whoever cracks the psycho's name.
He won't give his name.
정체에 대한 암호가 아닐 거라 추측하는 사파가 그레이스 미스. 온갖 암호로 구성된 편지 속 내용.
All right, people, listen up. The cipher is broken into 3 sections.
No breaks between the symbols, denoting different words.
We got symbols from at least 7 different sources.
이를 해독하기 위해 해군 정보부와 FBI, CIA까지 여러 분야의 전문가들이 동원되지만 정부의 암호 전문가들도 해독에 실패합니다.
Hey, take a gander at this code thing.
Okay.
결국 신문의 편지 내용을 공개 후 한 교사 노부부가 편지를 해독하게 되는데
You want to give it a go?
He didn't give his name.
Who cracked it?
A history teacher and his wife.
암호를 풀었지만 결정적인 단서는 찾지 못했죠.
What is that at the bottom?
Leftovers. Maybe an anagram?
크로니클 신문사의 사파가 그레이스 미스.
How does one do that?
I like puzzles. I do them a lot.
퍼즐광이었던 그는 사건에 흥미를 느끼게 됩니다.
Because man is the most dangerous, need the most thrilling experience. It is even better than getting your rocks off. Give you my name because you will try to.
He thinks our friend's a tad bit fucker in the head.
암호 내용은 살인을 즐긴다는 충격적인 고백이었습니다.
Dangerous animal.
암호 속 위험한 동물이라는 문구에서 단서를 찾은 그레이스 미스.
Paul. Yes, Tim. Editorial now.
Very well.
Another letter.
그리고 또 한 통의 편지가 도착합니다.
And he gave himself a name.
범인은 자신의 별명을 조디악이라고 밝혔죠. 한 달 반 후 나파 카운티의 베레사 호수.
Somebody else is here.
It is a public park.
He's coming towards us. Oh my god, he has a gun.
I want your money and your car keys. Okay.
이번엔 자신의 시그니처 마크가 그려진 옷을 입고 나타난 조디악.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know exactly where I put my keys. They might be on the blanket. Is it okay? Here's the keys. Don't get up. I want her to tie you up. Okay. Come any closer, I might be able to get that gun. Don't get any ideas. I'm not. I'm not doing anything, okay? Look away. It's okay. She tied you loose, didn't she? Get on your stomach so I can tie your feet. You know, just because people are going to ask, was that thing even loaded? It's okay.
하지만 살인범은 법대생인 브라이언과 세실리아를 칼로 공격합니다.
Napa Police Department. I want to report a murder. No. A double murder. They're 2 miles north of parking headquarters. They were in a white Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. I'm the one that did it.
이 사건으로 인해 세실리아는 사망했고 죽음의 문턱에서 살아남은 브라이언. 2주 후
You're not scared of the Zodiac?
Heck no, he's only shooting those farm kids.
Amber from Oakland. What do you think?
I think the bigger problem is that the paper shouldn't have printed anything that the Zodiac has been doing.
So, what do you think he'll do next?
택시 운전사가 총에 맞아 사망하는 사건이 벌어집니다.
San Francisco Police Department.
Yeah, there's a fate in a cab.
이를 건너편 주택에 살고 있는 아이가 목격을 하고 경찰에 신고합니다.
Nuts. Cabby's been shot 3 blocks from the Presidio. You'll pick me up?
I just got to sleep.
샌프란시스코의 경찰청 형사 데이빗 포스키와 암스트롱.
Lovely night for a botched robbery.
Yeah, third this week. Must be end of summer rush.
The victim's name is Paul Stein. We set pronounced him at 10:10.
Any witnesses?
Kids who called it in saw the suspect from that window. Described him as a white male, glasses, crew cut, stocky, wearing a dark jacket.
Prince?
Could very well be. We'll dust it at the hall. The odd thing is, we also got gloves.
Yeah, Luger.
단순한 강도 범죄가 아니란 걸 직감하고 본격적인 수사에 착수합니다.
Sir, I was wondering if I'd be able to talk to your children one at a time. Do you remember what he looked like?
Normal.
하지만 평범한 백인 남성이라고 얘기할 뿐 별다른 특이점은 없었습니다. 3일 후 택시 운전사의 피 묻은 셔츠 조각과 함께 편지를 보낸 조디악.
Speaking, I am the murderer of the taxi driver over by Washington Street and Maple Street last night. To prove this, here is a blood-stained piece of his shirt. SF police could have caught me last night if they had searched the park properly instead of holding road races with their motorcycles.
자신을 검거할 수 있었지만 그러지 못한 경찰을 조롱하고 있었습니다.
Gentlemen.
Yeah.
Read the last part.
School children make nice targets. I think I shall wipe out the school bus some morning.
또한 다음 예고살인까지 알리는 조디악.
Just shoot out the front tire and then pick off the kiddies as they come bouncing out.
다음 타겟으로 스쿨버스 아이들을 지목하며 협박합니다.
I'll call Napton and Vallejo, get the letters up to Sherwood and Sacramento.
In cooperation with SFPD, we will run the Zodiac letter without including the threat on school children. We don't want to start a citywide panic, so I'm asking all of you to please keep this confidential. Just go about your daily business.
필적 감정사 모리를 찾아간 토스키 형사.
What's that?
Similarities in the lowercase r's.
소문자 아래 유사성이 있다는 걸 확인합니다.
There's similarities in the lowercase r's. We have to release the bus threat.
The Zodiac Killer has come to San Francisco, and in his latest taunting letter, which takes credit for the murder of cab driver Paul Stein, the Zodiac has threatened to, quote, wipe out a school bus and pick off the kiddies as they come bouncing out.
조디악의 범행을 은폐하던 경찰은 뒤늦게 사건을 공표합니다. 그렇게 캘리포니아 전체가 혼란에 빠지게 됩니다.
What do we really got?
Or swamp.
Got any hard suspects?
About 90 an hour, come up to around 500.
엄청난 제보로 인해 수사는 혼선을 겪게 되고
I'd like to set up a meeting with
Your survivor, Michael Michaud?
I can't. He skipped town. As soon as he got out, he split.
Really? Why?
I don't think he wanted to have anything to do with this.
발레이오에서 살아남은 마이크는 행방이 묘연했습니다.
Who should I talk to in Napa so we can coordinate?
Talk to Ken Narlow.
Listen, we're gonna need your scene photos.
Can't help you.
각 관할서들은 조디악을 잡겠다는 욕심에 서로 협조하지 않았습니다.
The ranger that found the kids literally swept everything into a picnic blanket.
하지만 끈질기게 파고든 암스트롱 영사.
All we have are the Wingwalker prints. The what? Boot prints. To and from the crime scene were made by size 10.5 Wingwalkers. Military-style boots sold only at military PXs designed to walk on the wings of planes.
조디악이 군화를 신었다는 증거를 입수하게 됩니다.
Bill, can I have a word with you? Where did you see this guy?
On Jackson, heading east about the middle of the block.
하지만 순경들의 근무 태만이 수사를 방해했고
This guy was white. Right, not in a hurry, kind of lumbering along, shuffling.
Stocky? Had a crew cut?
Yeah, that's all correct.
범인의 한쪽 다리가 불편하다는 증언까지만 확보하게 됩니다.
How does our master criminal come to the city and leave a bloody latent? He shoots the cabbie and then takes them off?
So it's not his print. Theron dies, Hartnell lives, Shepard dies.
He's breaking the pattern.
단서를 바탕으로 조디악의 심리를 추적하는 두 사람. 그러던 어느 날
Yeah.
Someone claiming to be Zodiac called Oakland PD a half hour ago.
On television?
He wants Melvin Belli on to counsel him.
방송국에 연락해 인터뷰를 자청했다는 조디악.
Shit.
KG almost tipped other station. Get him talking. Convince him to meet you somewhere. If you see an opportunity, we want you to suggest Old St. Mary's Church in Chinatown.
15 seconds, clear the set.
그의 전화를 기다리는 토스키.
Roll the tape.
드디어 기다리던 전화가 걸려오죠.
Hello, this is Melvin Belli.
This is the Zodiac speaking.
Is there something I can call you that's a little less ominous?
Sam.
또한 자신의 이름이 샘이라고 밝힌 남자.
Is there somewhere we can meet Sam and talk about this?
Meet me on top of the Fairmont Hotel without anyone else or I'll jump.
Have a unit go to the Fairmont Hotel.
Do you think you need medical care?
I'm sick. Headaches.
Headaches? I think I can help you, Sam.
Sam.
We're not tracing these calls. You have my word. You need to tell me what your problem is.
Headaches. I kill. I don't get them.
That is fucked up.
What was that, Sam?
That was my headache.
하지만 그의 정체는 조디악이 아니었습니다.
No, it's not him.
Our Daly City no-show called from a mental institution.
어이없게도 정신병원에서 걸려온 것이었습니다. 2주 뒤 어느 날
Police shall never catch me because I have been too clever for them. If you cops think I'm going to take on a bus the way I stated I was, you deserve.
경찰의 무능함을 조롱하며 예고 없는 살인을 선언하는 조디악.
You need to look at this.
1 bag of ammonium nitrate fertilizer, 1 gallon of stove oil. It's a bomb. Okay, we gotta call the army and see if this is science. Another cipher.
폭탄 제조법과 더불어 새 암호까지 보내왔습니다.
How'd you know he was going to send another code?
I just guessed.
한편 형사들과 동시에 조디악을 추적하던 그레이스 미스와 폴.
Code like the one that we used to do as Boy Scouts. It's not that hard. You just gotta know where to start, though.
술자리에서 조디악 이야기를 나누며 단서를 되짚던 중
Here, here, and here, each with the same two symbols preceding them.
What's your angle? This is good business for everyone but you.
그레이스 미스의 집요한 모습을 보곤 질문을 던집니다.
How do you mean business?
같은 길을 걷는 듯 보였지만 폴은 명성을, 그레이스 미스는 정의를 위해 움직였습니다. 아이를 태우고 어딘가로 향하던 여자. 뒷차의 신호를 받게 되고 갓길에 차를 세웠습니다.
I didn't mean to scare you, but you're.
Really?
If you like, I could tighten the lugs up for you.
낯선 남자의 호의에 불안했지만
All done.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good night.
남자가 떠난 걸 확인한 뒤 다시 운전대를 잡았죠. 그런데 그때 차량의 바퀴가 순식간에 빠져버렸고 앞서갔던 남자의 차량이 다시 모습을 드러냅니다.
Must have been worse than I thought. I can give you a lift to a service station.
Okay.
어쩔 수 없이 아이와 함께 낯선 차량에 오르게 됩니다.
I think we just passed a filling station.
It was closed.
카센터를 지나자 남자는 돌변하기 시작했습니다.
Before I kill you, I'm gonna throw your baby out the window. She was on the side of the road. She flagged me down.
What is it? My baby! Where's your baby? You hid it? In case it came back.
매번 수법을 바꾸며 범행을 저지르는 조디악.
I'm mildly curious as to how much money you have on my head now.
별다른 성과 없이 매번 신문사만 방문하는 경찰들.
I shot a man sitting in a parked car with a .38 Zodiac 12 SFPD 0.
계속된 희생에도 수사가 지지부진했던 데는 숨겨진 이유가 있었는데
We're really not gonna run any more of his letters?
A new policy. Our brothers in blue want us to hold.
이미 조디악의 범행을 꿰뚫고 있었던 경찰.
Okay, look at this letter again, the part about Kathleen Johns.
Woman and her baby abducted. Car on fire.
Okay, now look at the article from the Bee.
납치 사건도 자신의 소행이라고 주장했던 조디악.
Everything in the letter already appeared in the article.
And he's done it before.
하지만 사실 신문 기사에 실린 내용을 그대로 보내온 것이었습니다.
That's the only place that word and that symbol ever appeared together before the letters.
자신을 상징하는 조디악 문양 또한 조디악 시계 브랜드의 문양이었습니다.
Zodiac didn't do it, but took credit for it anyway because he's in it for the press.
그는 대중의 시선을 끌기 위해 저지르지도 않은 사건들을 자신의 범행이라고 주장해왔고
First he won't shut up, and now
Maybe we drove him underground.
경찰이 더 이상 반응하지 않자 조디악은 조용해졌습니다. 하지만 전혀 뜻밖의 상대에게 편지를 보냈습니다.
Tell me it's not a piece of bloody shit.
Sir, fuck! Oh, fucking cop!
조디악을 조롱했던 기자 폴에게 향한 협박 편지였습니다.
Dave, I want a gun.
하지만 폴은 겁먹지 않았고 그에게 맞서기 위해 사격 연습을 했습니다.
One guy down in Riverside. I'm gonna drive down and see him tonight. You wanna tag along?
Hey, I'm supposed to meet somebody here.
San Francisco Chronicle reporter and Zodiac target Paul Avery falsely unsolved homicide in Riverside County's history that Avery now believes was the Zodiac's first.
이 사건으로 폴은 제보받은 조디악의 편지를 뉴스에 공개합니다.
get the evidence out of Riverside.
I know how bad this looks.
Hey,
경찰은 조디악을 계속해서 감시 중이었지만
how do we know that this lead is real?
It's very real. You know how I know? Because I saw it on TV.
예상치 못한 폴의 행동으로 곤란한 상황에 처하게 된 경찰들.
Well, there's your press agent. Talk to him about it.
Punk these. I don't want any trouble.
Dave, I don't want to touch you right now, pal.
I'm the Zodiac.
And how did you kill your victim? His foot gets crushed in an accident and the killings begin.
하지만 폴의 돌발 행동은 오히려 기회를 만들어냅니다.
He was drinking Coors, getting a load on. He starts talking about hunting people, like that book.
He said that.
바로 조디악과 일치하는 인물이 등장한 것이었죠.
Yeah. So I asked him, how would you get away with it? And he said it'd be easy because there'd be no real motive to the thing.
Then he said he'd write letters to the police and call himself Zodiac to mess with them.
He liked messing with people.
You're positive he said Zodiac?
Yeah.
유력한 용의자 리앨런에 관한 제보가 들어옵니다.
And picking off the little darlings.
He actually used those words.
That's what made me remember. Afterwards, I told my wife I didn't want to see him again, and I haven't since. I know he's been up to that lake a bunch of times.
Lake Berryessa. Did you ever go with him?
A couple times. We went fishing by Poudre Creek, near there.
나파 사건 당시 호수 인근에 있었던 리앨런.
When Mel got the application from Valley Springs, I told him that Alan had been fired for touching kids.
해군 출신의 아동 성추행으로 학교에서 해고된 이력도 있었습니다.
He misspells words like that. He thinks it's funny.
What about the handwriting?
제보자의 증언을 통해 그의 뒷조사를 시작했죠.
Maybe he did it with his other hand.
필체 감정을 의뢰했으나 결과는 일치하지 않았고
He's ambidextrous. He can write with either hand. Didn't you guys know that?
그가 양손잡이라는 말을 듣게 된 암스트롱 형사. 그를 직접 찾아간 형사들.
I'll go get him for you.
I'm Inspector Bill Armstrong. This is Inspector Dave Tosky and Sergeant Jack Mullinax. Please sit down. The informant notified us that you made certain statements 11 months prior to the first Zodiac murder. If they're true, they're quite incriminating. Do you recall having any such conversation?
No.
The informant says that you're ambidextrous.
My teachers tried to make me when I was a kid, but I couldn't. I'm left-handed.
신문 내내 조디악과의 연관성을 전면 부인하는 리앨런.
I told all this to the other officer.
And what did you tell this officer? That would be great, Arthur.
Lee.
What?
Nobody calls me Arthur.
그런데 갑작스럽게 여유를 보이기 시작하는 리앨런.
The knives I had in my car with the blood on them, that blood came from a chicken that I killed for dinner.
What?
I had knives in my car that weekend. Maybe Bill saw them.
묻지도 않은 정보를 꺼내며 자신감을 보였고.
Is this about the Riverside killing?
Yes.
또한 반복적으로 시계를 만지는 모습에 이상함을 느낀 토스키.
Nice watch.
Thank you.
May I see it?
그의 시계를 직접 확인합니다.
Where'd you get it?
그런데 놀랍게도 그가 차고 있던 시계의 브랜드가 조디악이라는 브랜드였습니다.
May I go?
Thanks for your time.
I'm willing to help in any way possible.
You think my brother's the Zodiac?
Well, we're looking at him.
의심이 확신으로 바뀐 뒤 그의 친동생을 찾아간 형사들.
This one.
What about it?
Here, where he spells Christmas with 2 S's.
조사 도중 리앨런의 친동생과 아내로부터
We got a Christmas card from Lee a couple of years ago. He spelled it the exact same way.
조디악이 틀린 철자를 리앨런의 편지에서도 본 적이 있다고 기억해냅니다.
Is there anything else we can do to help?
The brother said he would search Lee's apartment next time he went out of town. If we do find something, Mull and X will go to the DA in Vallejo and we could search the place properly.
또한 리와의 면담에서 그가 보인 행동과 말들을 통해
Try and find more stuff for Sherwood. A match will get us farther on the warrants.
그가 조디악이라는 확신을 하게 됩니다. 조디악과의 필체 비교를 위해 감정을 요청하지만
This suspect is not your Zodiac.
하지만 일치하지 않는다는 결과를 내놓는 필체 감정사 모릴.
I'm sorry. Just not going to work.
We struck out with the judge. He won't sign off on a warrant for Alan's house.
Bring him a handwriting match or some evidence.
결국 결정적인 증거가 없어 아무런 조치도 취할 수 없게 됩니다.
True him sorry.
No, thank you, Jack.
그렇게 또 1년이란 시간이 흐르게 되고
As if the suspect is ambidextrous, could he possibly have written those letters?
여전히 리앨런에 대한 단서들을 추적 중이던 경찰.
Between you and me, because there are differing schools of thought on this. Get the samples of his other hand. If he's the Zodiac.
Meanwhile, I spoke to a psychologist who'd be willing to testify that someone who undergoes a personality change like Zodiac would manifest it physically.
Coupled with Cheney, it could be enough for a warrant.
Get Cheney on the record.
정신과 진단을 근거로 리앨런에 대한 영장 청구에 속도를 내는 형사들.
And that he would call himself Zodiac.
Yes.
And you're willing to swear to this under oath in Superior Court.
Without any hesitation.
Suspect is Arthur Lee Allen, height, weight, and build to a man seen at Lake Berryessa on the day of the stabbings. Allen was in the Navy, wears a size 10.5, same size as the prints found at Berryessa.
Let's take it to a judge.
그리고 마침내 수많은 정황과 증거들을 통해 영장을 받을 수 있었고
This is the Santa Rosa Police Department. We have a warrant to search your residence. Hello?
하지만 집에 없는 리앨런.
I'll check the back.
결국 그의 트레일러를 수색하게 되는데
Whoa, not one but two blue windbreakers. And a pair of black gloves. Well, he's got the same size shoes and gloves as Z.
Dave, I got a gun. Check that. 2 guns.
Because he happens to have an M1 rifle here in the closet.
Someone's here.
하지만 확실한 증거는 없는 상황.
Hello out there. Remember us?
이제 남은 건 확보한 증거물의 정밀 분석 결과를 기다리는 일.
Ballistics no match, prints no match, writing no match.
Because we got handwriting from both his hands.
And neither hand matches. He's not your guy.
하지만 충격적이게도 그가 조디악이 아니라는 법원의 판단이었습니다.
Hey, what do you want? Time off?
그 결과는 형사들에게 깊은 좌절감과 혼란을 안겨주었습니다.
You know what? Take some time off. Spend some time with your wife and the kids.
이후 조디악은 더 이상 사건도 벌이지 않았고 편지도 보내지 않았습니다. 어느덧 시간이 흘러 4년 뒤
I'm not coming in tomorrow.
그들의 인생은 서서히 피폐해지기 시작합니다.
I'm done. I put in for a transfer.
오랜 수사 끝에 지친 암스트롱은 강력계를 떠나게 되고
I can't be on call anymore.
He had a great desk. Guy who used to work here was a great reporter. Honored to leave the Chronicle and go work for the Sacramento Bee.
알코올 중독으로 인해 폐인이 된 폴은 삼류신문사로 가게 됩니다.
Hi, Paul.
Permission to come aboard.
How are you?
Fantastic. So, what's new?
I've been thinking.
Yeah.
Somebody should write a book.
Somebody should write a fucking book, that's for sure. About what?
About Zodiac.
That's not new.
I've been thinking that if you put all the information together, maybe you could jog something loose. And then I was thinking that nobody knows the case better than you.
What do you think we were doing back then? It's 4 years ago, let it fucking go.
그렇게 점차 세상에서 잊혀져가는 조디악. 하지만 그레이스 미스는 포기하지 않았습니다.
Inspector Toski? I'm Robert Graysmith. I work at the Chronicle. I was wondering if I could buy you lunch.
토스키 형사를 찾아간 그레이스 미스.
I wanted to ask you about Zodiac.
Zodiac hasn't written in 3 years.
Okay, can I show you something? I've been doing research on the first cipher. I started thinking that if you can track these books, then maybe you can track the man. Zodiac was military, so I went to every base library, and I got a list of every person who's ever checked out these books, and it means they were stolen.
그동안 모아온 자료와 정보를 공유합니다.
Who are you again?
I just want to help.
I can't allow you to help. I can't discuss the case with you. I can't give you information, and I certainly couldn't tell you to go see Ken Narlow in Napa.
그는 나파 사건의 담당인 날로우 형사를 찾아가라고 말합니다.
Dave Toski sent you?
Yes.
Better start with Vallejo, Jack Mullenix. I'm a friend of Dave Toski's, and he said that you might be able to help.
Anything that you see that's relevant, you better remember in your head.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Which one?
All of them.
조디악의 실체에 다가서기 위해 첫 번째 사건부터 파헤치기 시작한 그레이스 미스. 현장에서 사망한 달린과 잠적해버린 마이크의 사건. 형사들이 놓친 단서를 찾는 그레이스 미스. 발레이오 사건의 피해자 여성 달린과 조디악이 서로 아는 사이라는 걸 눈치챕니다.
Darlene Farron was being followed. Yeah, so she and her husband, they move into their new house, and one night they throw this painting party. Well, supposedly somebody who's not Waters shows up, and Darlene is terrified of him.
So you think that Darlene knew Zodiac?
그레이스 미스에게 놓쳤던 정보를 듣게 되는 토스키.
Either way, Zodiac had to have known Darlene. Hey.
Robert Graysmith has quietly been shopping his book about the Zodiac. I'm not so sure that's something we want people to know about.
그 순간 누군가로부터 걸려온 전화.
Hello.
I can tell you who the Zodiac is. There's a man you need to find. His name is Bob Vaughn.
Okay, you have a friend? Who's this friend?
Zodiac's name is Rick Marshall.
그 익명의 제보자로부터 릭 마샬이란 새로운 용의자를 알게 됩니다.
About a month ago, a man showed up on my doorstep, very distraught. He said he knew who the Zodiac was. Rick somebody?
Rick Marshall?
Yeah.
I think that the man who you talked to called me too. Does the name Rick Marshall mean anything to you?
Hypothetically, you just named my favorite suspect in the whole case.
그는 난로우 형사가 쫓던 유력 용의자였습니다.
They finally did run his prints. They cleared him against the one in Stein's cap, which is why we also used handwriting. SFPD saw a handwritten sign in the window of his house. Decided it looked nothing like the Z letters.
How do they know that Rick Marshall wrote the sign?
My thoughts exactly.
하지만 당시 부실한 수사로 링마샬의 필독 감정은 이루어지지 않았고
I don't know what to tell you. You get it, I'll analyze it.
Who came to see you? The one who called me. Yeah, did he leave a number? Hi, this is Robert Graysmith. Rick Marshall is the Zodiac. I need a sample of his handwriting to confirm it. Can you help me or not?
I'll send one down.
Thank you.
링마샬의 필체를 확보하게 된 그레이 스미스.
Yeah, but is it?
Oh no, it's as close as I've ever seen.
감정 결과 조디악의 필체와 유사하다는 소견이 나오게 됩니다.
Who I can get more? I'll just find Vaughn and I'll track down Linda. And I talked to her parents, but still, nobody knows where to find her.
그러던 어느 날
Hello.
조디악으로부터 무언의 협박 전화가 걸려왔고
Unit 5, Tosca needs to call in on a landline. Dispatch.
Hey, Dave Tosca.
I'll connect you.
Jennings here from the Chronicle.
The new Zodiac letter. And it mentions you.
Okay.
토스키 또한 조디악의 협박 편지를 받게 됩니다.
Jay.
Yeah, but with you. This is the Zodiac speaking. I'm back with you.
침묵을 깨고 모습을 드러낸 조디악.
That city pig Toski is good, but I am smart.
다시 모습을 드러낸 그는 토스키를 언급했습니다.
Terrorized the Bay Area has broken his silence. And that's in San Francisco Chronicle columnist Herb Kane and the department's own David Toschi by name.
Thank you, Eric. San Francisco Chronicle columnist Armistead Maupin says that he thinks not only is this new letter a forgery, but it was written by the very man trusted to hunt down this killer, David Toschi. Maupin, a very well-respected author, has gone on record saying that he believes Toschi wrote the letter to drum up publicity for himself.
크로니클의 한 기자는 조디악의 편지가 데이브의 자작극이라는 의혹을 제기하며 논란을 키웠고
And I'm sure that this will all blow over.
They kicked him out of homicide.
자작극의 루머까지 뒤집었으며 강력계에서 쫓겨난 토스키.
Dave, no one in my... Dave, you stop calling my house. Do you understand
I just
me?
need your help to find Linda.
Jesus.
기자의 왜곡된 보도는 결국 두 사람 사이를 갈라놓았습니다.
We ran them on Rick Marshall.
No, Robert.
No, I know you don't think it's him.
No.
여전히 토스키 형사의 도움이 필요했던 그레이 스미스.
He's still out there, Dave.
No, Robert. I am through with this. I am through with you.
That's a J? Okay. Thank you so much. Hey, we found Linda. She's in jail. Isn't that great?
결국 그녀가 교도소에 있다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
And when is it going to be finished? When you catch him? When you arrest him?
I need to know who he is.
그의 결혼 생활은 엉망이 돼 있었고
Is that more important than your family's safety?
Of course not.
가족의 위험을 감수하며 끝까지 추적을 이어가는 그레이 스미스.
Mr. Vaughn? Mr. Graysmith?
Yeah.
You can follow me?
Oh. Okay.
익명의 제보자가 언급한 밥본을 만나 그의 집으로 향했죠.
Very nice house.
Oh, thank you. Have a seat.
Thank you. Do you remember the Zodiac?
This is about Rick Marshall, isn't it? I have no occasion to correspond with him these
The
days.
poster that Rick drew. The handwriting is the closest that we have ever come to a match.
그리곤 충격적인 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Mr. Graysmith, I do the posters myself.
하지만 링마샬의 필체는 밥본의 필체였던 것.
I won't take any more of your time.
불길한 기운을 감지한 그는 발길을 돌리려 하지만
It's not a problem. They're just down in the basement.
그를 따라 지하실로 향하게 됩니다. 그리고 그 순간
Are you sure there's nobody else in the house?
어디선가 인기척을 느낀 그레이 스미스.
Would you like to go upstairs and check?
Thank you. Thanks for everything.
돌아가겠다고 말하지만 그때 조디악이 한 명이 아닐지도 모른다는 생각에 사로잡힌 채 집으로 향합니다.
Guys?
돌아온 집에는 가족들이 자취를 감춘 뒤였고
Linda? I'm Robert.
달린의 여동생 린다를 찾아간 그레이스 미스.
Tell me about this painting party.
This one guy was weird, though. I don't know why she was friends with him. She once told me he'd killed somebody. Yeah, I think maybe when he was in the service.
Navy?
I think so.
린다가 기억하는 남자는 조디악의 묘사와 정확히 같았고
And Darlene told me to stay away from him. She was scared of him.
Do you remember his name?
It was short, like a nickname.
확신에 찬 그는 린다에게 가장 중요한 이름을 묻게 되는데
It was Rick.
It wasn't Rick.
릭이 아니라는 말에 자리에서 일어나지만
It was Lee.
Lee?
그 순간 그녀가 내뱉은 예상치 못한 이름
Sounds right.
조디악의 정체가 리엘러님을 확신한 그레이스 미스.
Sergeant! Sergeant, move it!
경찰서로 향해 진실을 전달하려 했지만
He knew her. Linda said Lee. This is Lee.
Our investigation into the subject is over.
하지만 그는 더 이상 경찰에 관심 밖이었습니다. 하지만 포기할 수 없었던 그레이스 미스.
You didn't return my calls.
I've been kind of busy.
I tried to send you these.
리앨런에 대한 새로운 정보를 알게 됩니다.
Is he actually here?
I'm gonna kill him.
그는 토스키 형사를 찾아갑니다.
Get away from the window. You have to hear this. No, I don't. It's Arthur Lee Allen. Where did you get that name? December 69. I need to kill. Today's my birthday. Arthur Lee Allen was born on December 18th. Get in here. And he knew Darlene. It's in the Vallejo files.
달린과 같은 동네에 살았으며 생일 또한 성탄절 근처라는 것.
All the evidence said no.
And there was no way of getting Alan into court in the first place? Because there was no evidence, Robert.
What do you mean there's no evidence? The military boot prints, the same size shoes and gloves, the most dangerous game, the Zodiac watch, the background of school children, the misspellings of Christmas, the bloody knife.
All circumstantial.
This stuff side by side, Dave. Okay, Arthur Lee Allen and the Zodiac, their timeline.
리앨런과 조디악을 연결짓는 정황들을 설명하기 시작했고
Now, when do the letters begin?
July 69.
After the murder of Darlene Farron. So when's the next letter from Zodiac?
Not until January of 1974.
And what do we get? 3 new letters from Zodiac in January, May, and July in 74.
But then the letters stop.
What happens to Alan?
He's arrested. January 1975, they send him to Atascadero. We don't get another letter from Zodiac the entire time he's there.
When is he released?
August 77.
Alan gets out, he types you an apology, and then what?
Jesus Christ.
예상치 못한 이야기에 충격을 받게 된 토스키.
So? I'm not asking you as a cop.
I can't prove this.
더 이상 사건의 담당이 아닌 토스키.
Just because you can't prove it doesn't mean it's not true.
확신을 뒷받침할 증거가 부족했고 그를 잡을 방법은 없었습니다.
Finish the book.
그리곤 조디악 사건에 대해 쓰던 책을 마무리하라며 자리를 뜨는 토스키. 그렇게 시간이 흘러 리앨런의 직장에 찾아간 그레이스 미스.
Can I help you?
No.
그의 눈 속에서 모든 답을 본 듯 아무런 말 없이 등을 돌렸습니다. 그로부터 7년 뒤. 결국 그레이스 미스는 조디악 관련 책을 출판했고 베스트셀러에 오르게 됩니다. 그리고 1969년 발레이오 사건의 생존자 마이크가 모습을 드러냅니다.
Mr. Michaud! Thanks for coming to see me.
It's been 22 years. I don't know how I can help you.
Perhaps now the person that shot you may or may not be among these photographs. Take your time. If you don't recognize anyone, that's okay.
It's him. Last time I saw this face was July 4th, 1969.
그렇게 그가 아서 리 앨런을 지목하는 모습을 끝으로 영화 조디악은 막을 내립니다.
I'm very sure that's the man who shot me.